Disability insurance is one of the most overlooked yet critical forms of protection available. While many people focus on life insurance or health insurance, they often forget about protecting their most valuable asset, their ability to earn income. Today, let's explore why disability insurance matters, especially when starting early in your career. Here's a sobering statistic. 1 in 4 workers will experience a disability during their working years. That's 25% of the workforce. This could be due to an injury, illness, or even a mental health condition. The question isn't whether disability can happen, but rather how prepared you are if it does happen to you. So what exactly is disability insurance? Simply put, it's income protection that kicks in when an injury or illness prevents you from working. Think of it as a safety net that catches you financially when you're unable to earn your regular paycheck. It ensures that bills get paid, groceries get bought, and your financial life doesn't collapse during a difficult time. Disability insurance comes in 2 main types. Short-term disability typically covers you for 3 to 6 months and is useful for temporary conditions like recovery from surgery or a broken bone. Long-term disability, on the other hand, can provide coverage for years or even until retirement age, protecting you against more serious, prolonged disabilities. The benefits of having disability insurance are substantial. First, it replaces 50 to 70% of your income, ensuring you can still meet your financial obligations. Second, it maintains your overall financial stability during what could be a very stressful time. Third, and perhaps most importantly, it protects your savings from being depleted. Without this coverage, many people are forced to drain their retirement accounts or emergency funds just to survive. Here's why getting disability insurance when you're young is so advantageous: lower premiums. When you're younger and healthier, insurance companies view you as less risky, which translates to significantly lower costs. Plus, once you lock in a policy, those rates typically stay fixed. Waiting until you're older or have health issues can make coverage much more expensive or even difficult to obtain. Several factors determine how much you'll pay for disability insurance. Age and health are the primary cost factors, which is why starting young is so beneficial. Your occupation also matters, as riskier jobs command higher premiums. The coverage amount you choose, typically based on a percentage of your income, affects the cost. Finally, the benefit period, or how long the coverage lasts, plays a role in pricing. Remember, your earning ability is truly your greatest asset. It's what funds your life, your dreams, and your future. Protecting that ability isn't optional, it's essential. Don't wait until it's too late or too expensive. Start exploring disability insurance options today, compare policies, and secure your financial future. Your future self will thank you for taking this crucial step.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.